Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to add pages to your Wix website. Adding pages is essential for organizing your content and improving your site navigation. So let's get started. First, we need to log into your Wix account and open your website in the Wix Studio. So let's go and open up our Wix Studio. So here, as you can see, once you selected a template, as you can see, we need to add a new page. To do that, click on the page section on the left sidebar and then click on the plus icon to basically add a page. So once you click on add new page, we have two options to add a page or dynamic page. So here I want to add a standard blank page, so click on the add button. Once you click on the add button, then you should need to enter the name. So here you should have to enter the name of your page. For example, this one is client section. Now, once you've done, as you can see, you just have to choose that clearly describe the page content. So you can basically design the section if you want to add an element or the layout. So in this case, I'm going to click on design section and it will open up this option here. So you can add section, either you want a welcome page, either it's a about page, services, or maybe product page, team, or projects, testimonials, banner, or clients page. So this one here. And then we have interactive and also navigation. Now in this case, I'm going to select the client section because it's a client page or client info. So I'm going to select any page right over here. So it's just simply drag and drop or just click right over here and it will automatically add to your website. And here you can change the columns basically if you want a rows just like this. So if you want like this view, or maybe you can change into like collage options or collage view. Now in this case, I'm going back to the columns. So as you can see here, all right? Now let's customize our new page here. We can basically add a text, images, or videos, or maybe add some elements. If you click on the plus icon at the top left, you can go to quick add, and here you can add some of the elements. For example, I want to add a button. So just drag and drop the button here, or maybe click on this one and then drag and drop on this page. So as you can see, you now basically customize this button. Now, here, to ensure your new page is accessible, you can manage your site's navigation. So again, we can go to the page section of the or from the left sidebar. Let's delete it first, then go to the left sidebar and go to the page section. And if you're going to click on the three dots, and then if we go to the SEO basics. So as you can see here, you can go here on this page. So you can basically manage and select SEO or fill in the page title, description, and the URL to optimize your page for search engines. And once you've added and customized your new page, you can now preview your website to see how it looks and functions. So here, as you can see, you just click on preview, and if everything looks good, you just have to click on the publish button at the top right hand corner to make your changes live. And that's it. You've learned how to add pages to your Wix website. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials. So thank you for watching, and see you then on the next video.